This is the Galaxy Fold 7, guys. This one is 25 Ultra. Now, let me show you something interesting. It's really thin, guys. As you can see, this is no joke. And now the best part, just going to open it, and voila, right? So yeah, it's just so stunning, and it's really very thin, guys. Honestly, I'm impressed. I'm just thinking of buying this device. This is an absolute masterpiece, and it's not something new for Chinese folds, but definitely something new for Samsung. Very interesting. Now, let's see something else interesting. Let's see the build of One UI, because this thing is with a stable build. So I'm gonna go to the settings. All right, gonna go to here in software update, and the version is AYFJ. It's One UI 8, Android 16, guys. Absolutely stunning. Could this be my next phone? Who knows? All right, see you in the next video, guys. Subscribe. Have fun.